Hi, I'm Mark Soja. I'm a repair tech at eReplacementParts.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sharpen electric lawnmower blades. To get started, we want to remove the blade from the mower. I've already tipped the mower on its side, and whenever you're working on an electric lawnmower, you want to make sure that you have the mower unplugged, or if it's a cordless mower, that you've removed the battery. I like to use a piece of wood to secure the blade as I remove it. With the blade removed, now we can move on to grinding. There's a number of different ways you can sharpen a mower blade. You can use a hand file, you could use a bench grinder, or the method I prefer to use is a handheld grinder. I'm going to clamp the blade in a vise. Whenever you're grinding metal, it's a good idea to wear safety glasses. I'm going to line up the grinder with the same angle that's already on the blade. Once I have it aligned, I'll turn it on and begin grinding. Once I have one side sharpened, I'll flip the blade around and sharpen the other side. Now that I have the blade sharp, we want to make sure that the blade is in balance. If I've removed more metal from one side or the other, that'll throw the blade out of balance. This is easy to do. I like to just clamp a nail in my vise, and then I'll set the blade on the nail through the blade's center hole and let it come to rest. If one side sits a little lower than the other side, that means there's too much metal on that side, and I'll need to grind a little bit more off until the blade's level and balance. Now it's just a matter of mounting the blade back onto the lawnmower. And that's all it takes to sharpen the blade on an electric lawnmower.